Hey, it's Chuck from Middleton Motorsports. Today we got a Turbosmart blow-off valve for the Bronco Raptor. It's also compatible with a 2.7 and 2.3 liter. We're going to do the install how-to on this Bronco Raptor. Ordered it right off our website, middletonmotorsports.com. But today we're going to do an install video for you, show you step-by-step how to get this installed, and we'll see if it makes much of a difference for you guys. All right, before we get to the install, we're going to do an unboxing and see what's in what we got in this box. Looks like we have the blow-off valve here. Careful, these O-rings pop out, but it's like very high quality aluminum Turbosmart. Set this over here. Looks like we got new bolts, so we won't have to reuse what we have on the factory. So. Instructions, you don't need those. We'll cover that. So first thing we're going to do is pop this it's like a retaining clip that holds the wiring. We'll pop that off. This has this little safety clip on the connector. We'll pull that right off. Get that out of the way. These are inverted Torx E5. You can see right here, E5 Torx. Once you get all three of those off, this will just pop right out. That's what the factory one looks like. Now I'd make sure all the seals are in the right place before we put it back on there. And you have line up the three holes right onto here. Only go on one way, so line them up. This one you're threading into like the plastic with just the little metal sleeves. Just make sure you hand start them first so they don't you're not cross threading them in. All right, we're on to tightening these bolts down. They are Allen, so if you use a regular socket, you can see the way it comes out here. It actually will hit, so you actually need to get a little creative. We have this bit tool, and it's actually a little ratchet that works for bits and is magnetic. So this works real good for us, but you might have to get a little creative when you're putting it on, so just be aware of that. All right, next step is just to plug this in, kind of find a good way to route it. Just plugs right in. Make sure you push the safety pin up so it holds it in place. What we'll do is I'll zip tie this back down in here. Good spot right here to zip tie. All right guys, that finishes up the install. Pretty straightforward, easy install. Now we're going to test it up, do some revs, make sure it sounds good. We'll leave you with that, but as always, please like and subscribe to our channel, and stay tuned for all of our future content. We got a big snowstorm coming today, so you'll see this thing in the air very shortly. So make sure you stay tuned for all that stuff, and keep coming back. Appreciate it.